I warned searching the auction site tonight. Noticed let's see, this is what I was talking about last week on the other browser. And sometimes it does it on Chrome. Obviously, it's doing it right now on Chrome. So where the photos, you click on them to enlarge, well, the thumbnail's not there. Okay, and I dumb my screen down to 75%. Usually it's at 100%. But this is normally a thumbnail. I mean, if you click on it, it still does what it's supposed to do. But you can see what I'm talking about, and I'm just bringing it to your attention. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. But it's not the thumbnails that we're used to unless we've changed it to this. Let me go to, because I know this wasn't doing this last week. Let's see. It was doing it on a couple of items, and it was really weird. Yeah, it seems to be doing it on all of it. Okay, so you see what I'm talking about.